So we all started with, at the beginning, the catchment delineation, right? With the help of DTM models, digital terrain models, how to delineate a particular catchment. In simple words, how to identify a basin area or catchment area. So we have started with that, and we have done hands-on using ArcGIS. After that, we have started calculating about unit hydrograph, in fact SES unit hydrograph. The reason being, the particular area, the Ladakh region is going to have, in fact the catchment area is very small, so we don't have to go for like the traditional methods like unit hydrograph methods and rational methods and other conventional methods. So we have simply used SES unit hydrograph method, which is very simple, and with the help of that, we could be able to identify at what time duration, or at what time interval we are going to get peak discharge. Then in the second day, we have discussed about design flood discharge using hydrometeorological method. Of course, we have considered 25-year, 50-year, 100-year rating years for computations. And after that, in fact, just before lunch and post lunch, we have discussed about water availability studies using stages table, which is purely empirical. Then today morning, forenoon, relevant to this particular area, we have discussed about snow melt calculation. In fact, we have done hands-on exercise. And at the end, in fact, we have discussed about hydrodynamic modeling using HYDRAS. In simple words, if you apply so-and-so discharge along a river or a canal, on what is the water elevation at different cross sections, and which are the areas which are likely to be flooded, or at which cross sections your water may overflow. So this is what we have covered in depth in all this 3 days training program. So all the thanks to Roy sir. In fact, he has taken so much pain to demonstrate such models which were previously developed on your locality, being it Lenala, and even the snowmelt calculation for the Ladakh region, including the Kargil. And in fact, he has even tried to explain one particular project in depth, so that if you are equipped with this particular project, similar kind of FMP projects you can deal at your level in your future endeavors. And in fact, ArcGIS software has been installed, cracked version with you. You can practice, and our team of CWC will always provide you helping hand in your further practicing sessions. And with that, we are concluding the hydrology part of this particular training program. And probably you might have seen how smart the Roy sir is from the technical point of view. He is not just very intellect from the technical knowledge, he is equally good at other aspects. In fact, he is very good at singing also. So just would like to have one song from, so ladies and gentlemen, please give your hands together.
देखो भाई, मैं हूँ बाथरूम सिंगर ही, गला वैसे भी बहुत अच्छा नहीं समय है, बट स्टिल आई विल ट्राई. जनरली आई लाइक किशोर कुमार एंड मुकेश सॉन्ग्स, तो मैं किशोर कुमार का एक गाना आप लोग को सुना देता हूँ, चलते चलते. ओके? चलते चलते मेरे गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. चलते चलते मेरे गीत याद रखना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना. रोते हंसते बस यूं कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, चलते चलते बीच राह में दिलवर, अरे बीच राह में दिलवर, बिछड़ जाए कहीं हम अगर, और सुनी सी लगे तुम्हें जीवन की ये डगर, बीच राह में दिलवर, बिछड़ जाए कहीं हम अगर, और सुनी सी लगे तुम्हें जीवन की ये डगर, हम लौट आएंगे तुम यूं ही बुलाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना।